Hey everybody, this is Robert here back with another video tutorial. This time I'm gonna revisit the video that I did about a couple years ago of creating a zip file. Now I'm sure I've gotten some comments that about them not seeing this option here, the option of compressed zip file for under the new. So let's fix that. Well, first off, you'd want to download 7-zip. Whoops. Yeah. You want to download this for your computer. This is particularly for Windows, but there is a version for Macintosh and for Linux. And in every language too. This particular one is for Windows, but now there's something similar called Kika for Macintosh that I recommend as well. And P7-zip is for Linux, other Linux distributions. And so download 7-zip or Kika or P7-zip if you have Linux. So that's what you need, and now let's get into the rest of the tutorial. So I've got a few files that I would like to put in a zip file. So what you should do is click on the start, go to 7-zip, go to 7-zip file manager. Then you want to add. But before you can do that, you gotta select some files. So let's do that instead. Let's say I want to do this handy fancy scoreboard file. So what you want to do is right click it, click, and then go to 7-zip. After you install 7-zip or Kika. Now for Windows 10, you'll have a 7-zip, and just click Add to Archive, and you could just put any name you want. I'm just gonna put Python files. So you're gonna do that. It'll show it on your directory, and click there to open it, and then click that one, then click this one, and then click 7-zip. So that you actually just want to just drag it, and then keep doing that for all the files that you need. Just keep dragging and dropping. These are all Python files, but you can use any kind of files. So let's see what I have. Let's say I want to draw a video. It says, are you sure you want to copy the files to archive? It'll copy it for you. Okay, once you're done, I'm just going to get another picture. Okay. Then you practically just have the zip file itself. Now you want to go to Properties, right click and go to Properties to look at how much data is in there, because you're gonna need it. So after that, you've practically created the zip file, and then you can put it in an email if it's short enough. So let me kind of show you what I have there. So make sure you download this, either 7-Zip or Kika, and you practically have all that you need. So of course you can add it to email, or it's basically just drag and drop the files that you need. I hope this helps y'all, and stay tuned. I will be doing my Guitar Basics video real soon. I'll have it uploaded real soon. So, hope you have a great day. Comment down below if you have any more questions about 7-Zip or Kika, or just how to create a zip file in general. I hope this helps a lot. Take care. See you soon.